Spray only salt at the entrance of your house. The results are immediate and surprising. The salt, pretty much part of our daily lives, has been around for centuries. Unlike ancient times, salt is quite affordable these days. It is one of the key elements which is never missing from the kitchen. One can hardly imagine food without salt, or as a matter of fact, life without it. But does the salt only have its application in food? No, there's more to it. You will be surprised to see what all the salt can be used for. From now, you can include salt for cleaning and optimization of your home. Here are some of its unusual but remarkable benefits. Repel the ants. Are you frustrated with sugar ants and carpenter ants always wandering in your kitchen and home? One simple solution is to spray salt at the entrance of your home or in the kitchen from where you see the ants are coming. Keep the salt there for a day, and you will see no sign of ants next day. Cut down the humidity. If you're worried about the extra moisture that it might damage your walls or furniture, just place the salt where you see more moisture, and forget about it. The salt will absorb the moisture from there and will leave the place clean and dry. Cleaning the silver cutlery. Silverware is very precious to us. It adds value to our health when something is eaten or drunk through it. However, over the period of time, silverware tends to lose its shine and might even rust. You can keep them rust-free, remove the stain and recover the shine by simply mixing salt with vinegar. Then, gently brush your silverware with the mixture and get the desired results. Cleaning the pool. Keeping a pool requires cleaning of the pool water at regular intervals. Stagnant water gets contaminated easily. Salt can make your life easy. Salt is basically sodium chloride. When it mixes with water, it breaks down into sodium and chlorine. Chlorine kills the contaminants in your pool. The best part is that you don't have to constantly add chlorine to the pool, which results in skin irritation. The calculation is easy: 50 pounds of salt for every 2,000 gallons of water.